Hello, everyone. My name's Louise Campion, and I'm the project lead for Working Together, a partnership project between the Culture, Health and Wellbeing Alliance and GEM, which is supporting 6 museums across the UK to embed creative health work. This is a video version of our December 2024 bulletin. Everything we mention here will be linked in the chat below so you can read more in your own time. Wanted to start by saying thank you. It's the end of another intense year. And while we have some opportunities and news to share as usual, we wanted to say thank you to you, our members, for everything you've done this year to keep this fragile but critical work going. From the team and board of CHWA, and to wish you all the best for this festive season and for a peaceful new year. Reflections on building a more equal alliance. We're developing a new equality action plan for CHWA, which presents an opportunity to reflect on what we've done since 2020, try to build a more equal alliance, and where we think this work might lead next. Disability History Month, Part 2. Curating for Visibility Fellow Carl Mercer has developed a brilliant short film for CHWA, exploring the disability, livelihood, and employment theme of this year's Disability History Month. Wildflowers explores his own experiences of employment within the heritage sector and was co-produced with Lizzie Sharp, curatorial assistant at Dover Museum. Artist commission for CHWA Awards, deadline 10th of January. CHWA would like to commission an artist based in Derby or Derbyshire to create the physical awards for the winners of the CHWA 2025 awards. The award winners will be announced at the CHWA 2025 Virtual Award Ceremony on Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 3 to 5 p.m. APPG on Creative Health launches. The new all-party parliamentary group on creative health launched on the 26th of November in Westminster. The APPG succeeds a previous APPG for Arts, Health and Wellbeing and is an informal cross-party group run by and for members of the House of Commons and the House of Lords. The new APPG will be led by Dr. Simon Ofer, recently elected MP for Stroud and a long-time supporter of creative health. General sector news. All in the Mind Awards. Nominations close 8th of January. The Radio 4 All in the Mind Awards want to hear about people or projects that have supported your mental health. The awards are designed to recognise the unsung heroes who help make the difference. Valuing Your Worth workshop, 28th of January, online. This workshop, led by Jane Willis, aims to support freelance creatives to set sustainable day rates, understand their true worth, and confidently advocate for fair pay. Museums Health and Wellbeing Summit, 28th to 29th of January, online. The Museums Health and Wellbeing Summit will bring together inspiring presentations and actionable advice from those leading this work in museums around the globe. Gulbenkian Prize for Humanity, nominate by the 31st of January. The Gulbenkian Prize for Humanity, worth €1 million, honours individuals, organisations and groups worldwide whose actions contribute to scalable climate solutions and inspire hope for a sustainable future. Towards a Trauma-Informed Museum. This blog by Katia Provanaya explores an event led this September by GEM in partnership with Manchester Art Gallery, focused on developing trauma-informed practice in museums. National Arts in Hospitals Network wins RSPH Award. We're delighted to share that our friends at the National Arts in Hospitals Network have won this year's Royal Society for Public Health Arts and Health Award for Our National Health Stories, an unprecedented collaboration between 19 hospital trusts, thousands of NHS staff, and a creative team led by Kwame Kwei-Amar. The impact of social prescribing on health service use and costs. This new NASP report suggests strong and growing evidence that social prescribing services can lead to substantial reductions in avoidable GP appointments, hospital admissions, and A&E attendances. Keeping safe, well-being and psychosocial support for people working in creative health. The Keeping Safe report is a review of psychosocial and wellbeing support options for creative practitioners working with challenging conditions and circumstances. The research was led by Dr. Julia Pablo Fortier and Dr. Kate Massey Chase, with support from Dr. James Woodhams. Engage opportunities for young people. Are you working with a young person who would value the perspective of a colleague working in the arts and education sectors? Throughout February 2025, Engage is offering online mentoring slots for access to career advice, insights, or critical feedback on project ideas. 8 ways to improve inclusion, access, and participation in heritage. Find out how projects funded by the National Lottery Heritage Fund are finding creative ways to open up heritage, involve audiences, and create better opportunities to take part. Safer Community Dance Practice online course. Safer Community Dance Practice covers key issues relevant to all community dance artists, including the preparation of the dance space, how to manage less than optimum conditions, physical, psychological, and digital safety for participants, and laws, regulations, and best practice. Angela Ruskin University National Centre for Writing Survey. Have you attended a creative writing group, workshop, or programme in the community or online, not run by formal educational or healthcare providers? Everyone who fills out the survey has the option to be entered into a prize draw to win one of 4 prizes. National Museums Liverpool Dementia Awareness Course for nursing students. House of Memory's new online dementia awareness course has been positively evaluated for use with higher education nursing students as evidence through a successful pilot with Liverpool John Moores University. Performing Medicine blog for Institute of Personalised Care. This guest blog explores performing medicine's online training for social prescribing link workers, using arts-based training to enhance compassionate care, support client wellbeing, and promote professional development. News and policy updates. The Local Government Association response to government plan for change. The Local Government Association has welcomed clarity on the next steps for the government's priorities, but emphasises the need for adequate long-term funding and the right powers to be able to help bring about the solutions. Health Foundation response to government plan for change. Health Foundation analysis indicates that meeting the government's pledge would require improvements similar to those achieved by the last Labour government in the 2000s. Wishing everybody a very happy Christmas and peaceful New Year.